Hi, welcome to Arlene's Kitchen. Today we're going to do potato pudding. So we have 4 potato that is grated. So my mom is going to be doing this. She makes nice potato pudding. So this is 4 sweet potato. And this is the Jamaican potato that she grate. And then she's going to add the coconut trash. She has the coconut milk that is juice, so she's going to put some coconut trash. So this is from 1 coconut. Add more. Put more. So you're going to mix it. You can add some more of the trash. So this is a coconut milk that is juiced. So we're going to add the sugar. You can add your sugar, how much you need. And this is brown sugar. Eight, 9, 10. And then another big spoon. I'm gonna mix it up. You can add, she's gonna add the almond essence. One, 2, 3, 4. And add some vanilla. One, 2, 3, 4. And that's 4 teaspoons. Now you're gonna add your cinnamon. How many? 1, 2, 2 cinnamon. We have some cake mix here. So this is a cake mix, and it has all the spices, nutmeg, cinnamon, and some other spice. So that's 1, 2. You're gonna mix it up. You're going to mix it up. And those of you who know Jamaican sweet potato pudding is very nice, right? Especially when an older person make it. So I don't eat cornmeal. Some people eat cornmeal in it, but we're not putting in cornmeal. She's gonna do flour. And she put the coconut trash, so she's mixing that's the coconut milk, and that's from the 1 coconut. She juice it. Put the vanilla, almond essence, nutmeg, the spice, cake spice, and cinnamon, baking powder. So how many? This can make, we're gonna make 2 tins. So this is the cinnamon, nutmeg now. Sorry, this is a baking powder. How much baking powder? So this is half. So this is what, 2 cups of flour. So she's gonna put, that's 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Just gonna mix it up. Also, we have some mixed fruits in wine and some rum that was soaked and blended. Mix it up. So you get all the. You're gonna add it in, or you're gonna add it in that one. Just gonna add it in for a mixture here. And that's about 2 cups. So you're gonna mix it up. Okay. So you're spilling it. You're spilling it. Is it sweet enough? Taste it and see if it's sweet enough. Need more sugar? Need more sugar?
It's sweet to make it.
Let's add 2 more. Mix it up. 2 more sugar. Taste it. Sweet. Okay, sweet enough. I think it needs some more vanilla. Or the almond essence. I think I'm gonna need some more rum. What do you think? Some more? Add some more rum? Not strong. Big spoon. I'm just gonna add some rum to it. 1, 2, 3 rum. That's Jamaican rum. Put some more of that. Yeah, need a little bit more. So we had a few more teaspoons of the almond essence. We got that one from Jamaica. It's an almond mix essence. Okay, ready? So you want the flour first?
Yes, add the flour with the
Okay, you're gonna add the flour that is mixed with the baking powder. And give me 1 second, I'll mix up it. And this is about a 2 pound or a 3 pound potato pudding. That look like a 3 pound.
Yes.
And this is 2 cups of flour. If it need more, then we'll add it after. So she's gonna mix up the flour. My mom don't want to be on the camera. She just want to do the mixing. Okay, ready for the mixture? Ready? Gonna start adding the mixture. All the raisins at the bottom. Just gonna add the raisin. Don't know if it's too liquidy, so taking out the raisins. So my mom liked to bake sweet potato pudding. She always have us baking when we were younger, growing up in Jamaica. Now that I'm here in Canada and she's here, I start letting her help me to make the Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Because when I go to Jamaica and visit, she always make it and I'll bring it back to Canada. So she's making it. So I'm not a cornmeal fan in my sweet potato. So she does just the flour and the coconut trash. There's some more coconut trash there. You think you want to add it or no? She don't want to add it. And that's the texture of it. Really nice texture. So she's mixing it around. There's a little. You want me to mix your hand is hurting? This whole. So we used to love doing this, especially on a Saturday. And then on Sunday, you'll have this with some ice cream. Or when we used to go to school. I'm gonna try the mixture. Sorry. Me, I'm thinking it should be a little bit sweeter, but thinking it should have a little bit more. It's not that sweet for my taste. Thinking it should be sweeter or sweet enough. There's something missing. You shouldn't try it. And see if the taste is okay for you. Tastes okay? Okay. So then we're gonna pour it out in the tins. So there is 2 tins that is grease. Lift it up. Use your spoon. Don't let it fall out. Okay, try something on this one. You're making it drop to the side. Hold it up. Okay. There, this one. Use a spatula. I think this one is good enough. Put it in the other one. The spatula. Smooth it out. Here you have it. Nice sweet potato pudding. Ooh, look at the mixture. Yummy. And how long this? I think this thing bake about 2 hours. About 2 hours. Or probably a little bit over 2 hours. And the oven is at what, 400? Just gonna smooth it out. Already, we're just gonna put it in the oven. The oven is already heat. Ready to go in. And there you have it, guys. My sweet potato pudding is in the oven. Stay tuned for part 2. When it's baked, I'll show you the finishing product. Thanks for watching.